Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stacking Perpetrator here. We're going to go through some more mail call. Get another one of these out of the way, plus I have stuff in the box I want to show. So I'm just doing a series of videos to catch up, get ahead on what I can post out. This one, obviously everybody knows the box. This is from the Mint. This is a listing that came back available, and the box seems kind of thick, which I haven't got one of these. This is my first one of these. They just allowed these, or had these available, so I purchased one, and then my purchase sat in limbo for about a week and a half, showing back order status, but then they finally sent it. All right. This is where we're going to get brutal. Let's just rip the box. Make sure I get the paperwork. Get that out. Oversized box. And this is why it felt a little puffed out. I guess with the bubble wrap and everything that was pushing up on the box. So it did arrive safely, and everybody knows what this is. This is the Liberty, the 2022 American Liberty silver medal. Everybody's seen these. I just letting you know I got one. I probably got a return or something because I see there's some dust on here. That might be just from the Mint. Lots of dust. This might have been one that was sent back. A lot of dust on it. Seems alright. Pop that. We'll take a look. I didn't get this at first because I thought well, I wasn't able to be online when it dropped, and then it went sold out, and then it came back. My rim edge seems pretty uniform all the way around. I know people were having problems with their coin being off center a little bit. Let's look over here. Yeah, my rim seems to be capsule is, let me see, I don't feel any high spots in the capsule, so you can always get these things to squeak. But my rim, everybody was having problems with the rim, and I guess some of them were so out of whack that the capsule wouldn't close all the way, but this capsule seems to be okay. And somebody said theirs wouldn't close it. Theirs wouldn't close at all. But let me know what you think. Looking at it through the camera, the rim seems to be evenly done around the coin, or around the metal. Cool design. Even the reverse, the rim is pretty even. All the way around. So it makes you wonder, did they have some that were really bad that were returns, and they scrapped those and maybe minted off some replacements? What do you think? Or did I just get lucky getting a good one? I don't know. Nice piece. Happy I got it. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think? Did I get lucky getting a good rim or a good edge at the rim? Let me know your thoughts down below, and we'll see you in another one.